Alright, well, here is another gold market trading setup, and in this video, I'm gonna explain what will happen to the gold market for the next couple of hours and as well for the next couple of days. So, which means basically, I'm gonna explain about the market with lower time frames such as 5 minutes, and for the next couple of days, I'm choosing 1 hour time frame. And as well, before I get into the charts, I just want to let you know that in this video, I'm mainly focusing on the main reversing areas, not just about what will happen to the gold market trend, if it's going up or down. And of course, I'm explaining that too. But the main focus is where will the possible market reversing area. So that means if market going up, where will the possible down reverse area? If market goes down, where will the possible market up reverse area to take buy trades? So before we continue with the lower time frames, let's talk about higher time frames. So there were nice sell-off because of the market, because of the presidential election in the US, and then market turned into the upside. And when talking about the up move, we might be able to see is still a market up move because the market will be continue the up move, because when looking at the uptrends of the previous trends, the buyers are getting stronger and stronger. These all strong candles when looking at the market is strength, the behavior of buyers and sellers. There are no much strong down pullbacks to the, by sellers, and the last uptrend also indicate us that is strong up move with candles. That means the buyers are very strong right now. So in higher time frames, I'm expecting that this up move will continue up to just around uh, this area over here, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm expecting the market up move up to this area. Then will market goes down to here. So for the next couple of days, I'm expecting market will take another up move just like this. There'll be, and of course there'll be market consolidations even around here. For example, I'm expecting I'm talking about the liquidity. All right. So when talking about the liquidity, I'm expecting kind of a market, uh, what do you call the consolidations around here, right? That means market will create a small short-term down move just around here. This is 1 hour time frame. I'm getting to the charts in a bit in lower time frame so that you can understand very well than this. However, the main focus, the main trend will be up move. But before the next up wave started, I'm expecting kind of a market consolidations just around here. Yeah, you can see kind of nice market reversing areas. You can see pinpoints of the strong candles of this candle, and even here the pinpoints are very strong. So we are in that kind of area, exact same area, and the trends of the uptrends, the up wave of these all uptrends are strong. So that means even if you have nice reversing areas over here, the bias is strength. The behavior of buyers are very strong. So we might be able to expect up move in higher time frames in the large scale. But before that, the next up move is started, I'm expecting small market down move, kind of a small one, like a consolidation. So let's move to low time frames. This will be my main down reverse area uh, within upcoming days. And let's move to the lower time frames. Now we can see this down move just over here within this candle. Market just goes down and goes up. And of course, this up move we can see with this candle's wick. Anyway, in the higher time frame, this candle is not over yet. It's still being creating. And I'm expecting this down move will continue up to just around, yeah, I'm expecting, yeah, just around here. So this will be my up reversal for the short term basis. All right, the short term basis, not long term. So that means market will continue down just like that. Create market down move around here. Will take a couple of candles by consolidation just around here. Maybe straight it goes up, and then we'll create another kind of market consolidations or market pullback, we can see exactly what will happen. So we have to wait until market reach to these areas. But for scalpers, for short-term traders, I'm expecting that market would go up from these areas. So that's what I can basically see in this market. Let's see what's going to happen. I'll update with another video. Stay tuned.